Hi, my name is Andres Soriano, and this is my ROBO2020 Lab 2C demo. Um, Basically what I've decided to do, because I only have a limited amount of time for recording, I'm just gonna run it in Teach instead of the play and start, because if I actually did like the auto, all of these are set up so that it actually does move slow because I did part of it at the actual robotics lab. So it's actually moving slow for picking up the parts and stuff. And if I were to run that in auto, it would take way too long. So for this demo video, I'll just be running it in Teach. But it does run on auto. Basically, the first part is the part one arrives at the pick place station. So basically, the robot's gonna pick up the part from the conveyor with gripper A, and the robot secures the washer by raising the pin. Then the robot moves to washer and places part into the lower washer fixture. The robot then lowers the pin and rotates the washer so that it's in the back. So I'll show that now. Start picking up the part. And then going to place it onto the station itself. And then this is it. If I go back, this line of code is basically the station lowering, the pin lowering and then rotating. So every time this code pops up, that's what that is. And also up above, that's when it raises the pin. And you'll see that throughout the whole video, because it basically just repeats itself for most of it. Okay, now it's back at ready, and basically part 2 is gonna arrive at the pick place station, and the robot's gonna pick up the part from the conveyor with gripper A. The robot secures the washer station by raising the pin. The robot moves the washer and places onto lower washer fixture. Then the robot lowers the pin, rotates the washer so that part 2 is in the back and part 1 is in the front. So I'll show that. It's gripper A getting the part again. Raising the pin, and then it's gonna put the part on, close the hand, move away, and then rotate. And basically now part 1 is in the front again. And then for this part 3, the robot, or part 3 arrives at the pick place station. The robot picks up the part from the conveyor with gripper A. The robot secures the washer station by raising the pin. Robot moves to the washer and picks part from the washer, gripper B. And robot places part 3 in the lower washer fixture with gripper A. The robot lowers the pin and rotates the washer so that part 3 is in the back, and the robot places part 1 into the conveyor with gripper B. So I'll show that now. That's gripper B. Oh wait, no, sorry, this is gripper A first, because that's what it has to do. And then pick up the part with gripper B, yeah. Then we place the part with the gripper A. And then we place part 1 back into the conveyor. Back at ready. And then this is for step 4. Part 4 arrives at the pick place station. Robot picks up the part from the conveyor with gripper A. Robot secures the washer station by raising the pin. Robot moves to washer and picks part 2 from the washer with gripper B. Robot places part 4 into the lower washer fixture with gripper A. Then the robot lowers the pin and rotates the washer so that part 4 is in the back. The robot places part 2 onto the conveyor with gripper B. Okay. Show that. Part A's picking up the part again. Or gripper A. Okay. And then for 5, this is basically clear out. And basically, it's just going to take off the 2 remaining parts on the lower washer station. Robot A secures the washer station by raising the pin. Robot moves to washer and picks part 3 from the washer with gripper B. Robot lowers the pin, rotates the washer, so part 4 is in the front. Robot places part 3 into the conveyor with gripper B. Robot secures the washer station by raising the pin, and the robot moves to washer and picks part 4 from the washer with gripper B. And then the robot places part 4 into the conveyor with gripper B. And I'll show that now. So it's just a lot of gripper B emptying out what's left into the washer station. This is part 3 right here. And now it's going to go get part 4. Just going to let go of that. And back to ready. So that's my Lab 2C demo. Thank you for watching.